The lights go out. The refrigerator stops humming. Your Wi-Fi disappears, the house becomes strangely quiet, and the phone in your hand suddenly feels like a countdown clock. Most outages are short. But when a storm, wildfire, heatwave, cyber incident, or damaged power grid keeps electricity off for 3 full days, the difference between discomfort and danger is preparation. Here is how to protect your home, your food, your water, and your connection to the outside world for the first 72 hours. Before anything else, pause and confirm what happened. Look outside for signs of a neighborhood-wide outage, but stay away from fallen wires, damaged poles, flooded streets, and sparking equipment. Check your utility's official outage information if your mobile network still works. If you smell gas, see fire, or hear electrical arcing, leave the area and contact emergency services. Do not assume that every dark wire is harmless. Treat all power lines as energized. Your first practical priority is safe light. Put flashlights, headlamps, and battery lanterns where you can reach them without crossing a dark room. Headlamps are especially useful because they keep both hands free. Avoid open flames whenever possible. Candles can fall, ignite curtains, or be knocked over when people are moving through an unfamiliar dark space. Keep spare batteries together, and use one main light per room instead of turning on every device at once. Next, protect your food. Keep the refrigerator and freezer doors closed. According to United States food safety guidance, an unopened refrigerator generally keeps food cold for about 4 hours. A full freezer may hold a safe temperature for about 48 hours, while a half-full freezer may last about 24. Those times are estimates, not guarantees. Use an appliance thermometer if you have one, and when in doubt, throw questionable food away. Never taste food to decide whether it is safe. Water comes next. A power outage can interrupt pumps, treatment systems, or private wells even when water is still flowing at first. Store at least 1 gallon of water per person per day for drinking and basic sanitation, with more for heat, illness, pregnancy, or pets. For 72 hours, that means a minimum of 3 gallons per person. Use sealed containers, keep them away from chemicals and direct sunlight, and follow local boil water or contamination notices exactly. Now manage your phone like emergency equipment, not entertainment. Turn on low power mode, dim the screen, close unnecessary apps, and disable connections you are not using. Text messages often get through when voice calls fail because they require less network capacity. Keep a charged power bank and the correct cable in the same place. If you charge from a vehicle, run the engine only outdoors, never inside a garage, even with the door open. Information can prevent panic. A battery-powered or hand-crank radio gives you access to official weather and emergency updates when home internet is gone. Write important phone numbers on paper, including relatives, medical contacts, your utility, local emergency management, and a meeting location. Choose one out-of-area contact who can relay information if local networks are overloaded. Agree on the plan before the outage, not during it. Temperature can become the most serious threat. In extreme heat, close blinds on sun-facing windows, move to the coolest part of the home, drink water regularly, and watch for dizziness, confusion, nausea, or fainting. In extreme cold, wear dry layers, close unused rooms, and gather in one insulated space. If indoor conditions become unsafe, go to an official cooling center, warming center, shelter, or another powered location. Do not wait until someone is already in distress. Carbon monoxide is invisible, odorless, and deadly. Never use a generator, charcoal grill, camp stove, or gasoline-powered tool inside a home, basement, shed, or garage. Place generators outdoors and well away from doors, windows, and vents. United States safety agencies commonly recommend at least 20 feet. Use a working battery carbon monoxide alarm. Never connect a portable generator directly to household wiring unless a qualified electrician has installed the correct transfer equipment. Reduce electrical risk before power returns. Unplug sensitive electronics such as televisions, computers, and game consoles to protect them from a surge. Leave one lamp switched on so you know when service is restored. Do not overload extension cords or power strips, and never run cords through standing water. Check on medicine that requires refrigeration and follow the manufacturer's or pharmacist's guidance rather than guessing. Keep the household organized. Put lights, water, first aid, radio, batteries, and charging equipment in one central location. Set simple check-in times instead of constantly checking phones. Help children, older adults, and anyone with medical or mobility needs first. Check on neighbors if it is safe, especially people who may depend on powered medical equipment. Preparation works best when the entire household knows where supplies are and what each person should do. The order is simple: confirm the danger, create safe light, protect food, secure water, conserve power, maintain communication, and control temperature. Build the kit before the next warning. Test every flashlight, label the cables, charge the power banks, and review the plan every 6 months. A 72-hour outage can disrupt almost everything, but it does not have to control your decisions. Subscribe to Pass Threshold for more practical emergency preparedness guides, and start your blackout plan today before the lights go out.